Right, so we're back on with another fault on my Mk8 2.2 Transit. Another weird fault. So, story of this one again is that Saturday, the van broke down. Wouldn't start, wouldn't crank, wouldn't do nothing. Basically, just driving along it randomly cut out. Obviously got it, towed it back home because wouldn't fucking give a clue. So found that when I turn off, so on this van we have electric side steps, and there is a function on the dash. You can turn these off because there's a drive inhibit on them if it thinks the steps are out. So when I went into there and I could turn the steps off, it would then crank over for 3 seconds. But when it did that, it would then give me a crank position sensor fault. Wouldn't give a fault normally. It just, you turn the key, nothing would happen. So just like now, so obviously with the key there, foot down on the clutch, and nothing. Won't crank, won't do nothing. Now, replace the sensor, it did nothing as I thought. It was just because it wouldn't explain why it wasn't cranking at all, the crank sensor being gone. It would usually stop it starting. So, look through live data, everything showing as perfect there. How I ended up fixing this was coming around here to the front. So, at this point, I've come down here, I've checked powers, grounds, everything here in the fuse box for the ECU, that's all fine. Everything was showing great. As the crank sensor had a fault showing when I could get it to crank, I thought we'd start there. Check down there. I actually pinned at the ECU, and with the oscilloscope I was checking, and we was basically getting cranking on the oscilloscope. Pinned up the back and noticed we'd lost our 5-volt reference feed basically to the crank sensor. We was only getting 2 volts. So at this point, with the Power Pro plugged in, I then systematically went along, unplugged stuff like the MAF sensor, didn't make a difference. Was unplugged oil pressure sensor, that didn't make a difference. Come round to the MAF sensor map sensor, sorry, just here, and unplug that, and noticed that my 5-volt reference was now restored to the ECU for the crank sensor. So like now, if I, there you go, unplug it again, and let's come back round to the van, and now, again, no tricks here, just foot on the clutch there, and now she starts. Now obviously I've got a load of warnings because of the sensors now unplugged again, but that's it. Basically what we found was obviously the map sensor is faulty, and that was pulling down the 5-volt reference feed in the ECU. So a bit of testing on this one has obviously shown up the fault, and obviously now we're running lovely. So anybody who gets that fault, it's a bit of a rare fault, so probably won't ever see it again. I scoured the internet, I looked at TSBs, the technical service bulletins, and I couldn't find any reference to this exact fault. Loads of people with cut out non-start, but none where it linked back to the 5-volt reference feed being pulled down by a sensor. Weird as fuck fault, but lovely, all fixed.